What's up, girls?
Morning, Bay. How are you doing?
Better than ever. How about you?
I'm good. It's great to hear from you. It's been such a long time since the last time we hung out. Where is Eunice?
I have no idea. Maybe she is busy taking care of the babies.
Yeah, you're right. She is in up to her neck. Working, house chores, the kids, and a lot of stuff.
Oh, there she is. Hi, Eunice. Do you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you guys pretty clearly. Hello, how is going?
We fine. How have you been?
I'm not very good. See, the baby are messing up my working room. And I have been looking for my important paper for the whole morning. Hey, stop there. Don't you touch my laptop. Put it down. Now. Oh, I'm sorry, girls. Wait for me a moment, please.
Okay, we can wait. Never mind. Just do what you need to do first.
Haha, look at the babies. They are so energetic. That's why I don't want to get married so early. Kids will change your life in unexpected ways.
Hi, I'm back. I can't wait to see you, girls. I have a lot of things to tell you.
Okay, so when are we going to see each other and where?
How about my place? My husband just expanded a kitchen. Now it's as big as your bedroom.
I don't think so, Eunice. You know, your kids, your husband, and also your mother in law. Don't get me wrong, we love you, but we don't really feel comfortable at your place.
Oh, I see. It's okay. So, do you have any ideas in your mind?
I know of one place. Look, I'll share my screen.
A new pub in a town? Wow, wonderful!
Good. They're having a promotion until the end of this month. I've never been back to a pub since I got married.
Alright, I will make a reservation by tonight.
Do you need to? I thought we could simply go there and find a place.
No, sweetheart. It's extremely crowded in weekends. We better book a table first.
Okay, I'll pick you up at 8 this Saturday night. Is it okay for you?
Both of us?
Yes. I'll go over to Hannah's house first and then yours.
Perfect. Okay, I gotta go now. My boss has been calling me for more than 15 minutes already. I need to return the call. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, Hannah. Bye, Esther. I must leave now.
See you then.
Thank God that you picked me up. My car just broke down this morning. The tire was completely flat. And my lazy husband refused to drive me to work because he was too busy playing game with his dude. I had to catch a bus to my office. Unfortunately, there was a car accident on the way, and the police officer asked all the vehicles to stop moving for more than 30 minutes. I was late and I almost...
Okay. Hold on there, girl. We know you've been through a suck day. But keep it. We're not at a pub yet. Now I need to focus on driving.
Yeah, Esther is right. Be positive. Anyway, you still have time to go with us. So, your day is not really very bad.
Yeah, my day is not sucked up, but all of my life is.
Oh, come on.
What can I help you with, my ladies?
Do you have anything with watermelon?
Sure, we have a watermelon margarita on the menu.
Okay, I'll take one of those. How about you, Eunice? You must be very thirsty. You did not stop complaining in the car.
I would love one of the Rocking Red mojitos, please.
Are you sure it has vodka?
Absolutely.
Applejack, please. Thank you so much.
Okay, now you can tell us about your problem, Eunice.
First, it's about my work. I quit my previous job for 3 months and I just started my first day at a new place today. But it's were unlucky for me, as I told you. I was late for the job this morning, so my new boss fired me. Now I'm unemployed.
What? What a pity! But why did you quit the old job? I thought you loved it.
No, she didn't love it. Do you remember how many bad stories that she told us about the company?
Actually, I was not feeling like getting along well with my old colleagues. They were really mean to me. They usually counted me out when they went to a company party. And one of my direct manager even said something negative about me and my boss.
Really? That's so awful. Did you talk to her?
Him, actually. At first, he flirted with me. After I got married, he turned his back on me and would always bother me at work.
Don't worry, I'm sure you will find a better job next time. You're a very dedicated worker.
How about your family? Are they good?
Nah, my husband recently lost his job as well.
What?
Yeah, I felt very frustrated recently. At least I tried my best to find a new job, but my husband didn't. He's decided to relax and stay home to play games.
Oh my goodness, I cannot imagine how could you face all of these obstacles.
Did your parents help you to take care of the kids?
Yeah, sometimes I just insisted my parents let the kids stay with them tonight so I could go out with you girls. They said no at first, but then I offered to give them some money to watch the kids. They agreed immediately.
Alright, let's cheer first.
Cheer! I feel pretty much better now. Thank you for listening to me. I have nobody to talk to. When I heard that you girls wanted to go out, I was very happy about that. Thank you for always being beside me, even when I'm at my worst.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yeah, that's right. We've been known each other for many years. We understand you, Eunice, and we really feel sorry for you.
I have a voucher for a yoga class. Do you want to join, Eunice?
Yoga class?
Yes, yoga is good for balancing your life.
Is it? Okay, give me the voucher. I'll give it a try.
Aha, that's my friend. Okay, a toast to Eunice.
Cheers!
Yay!